Hello everybody, this is Sabah. Welcome to my channel Suboxy Creative Minds. Today I will be teaching you Kinzuki loop coaster and how to get desired cracks on plain mold. So let us start. I will be mentioning the material as and in I am proceeding the process. I am using 90 centimeter square mold from Besto Charms, the best quality you can get from. So to get the cracks, you need any glue. Here I am using Fevicol. Draw cracks as you desire on mold, and when it is still wet, pour resin. So I'll be doing the process right now. I am using white color pigment from Fortune Chemi. Before taking the pigment from the jar, mix the pigment nicely to avoid lumps in it. I am using 1:2 ratio resin. This resin is from Rekanch Design. You can hardly find any bubbles in this resin and the result is very good and effective. Some more white to the resin. Mix the pigment and the resin very well so that you won't find any tacky results. These beautiful dry flowers are from Besto Charms. Let me see what can I select from it. So I will be going for this green color ferns. So the idea here is two parts of the mold will be clear with this dry flowers and other two parts will be with clear, white color pigment. That is from Fortune Chemi. I am using golden color glass cracks from Amazon, where I am using this dry flowers. To give the depth. Pouring clear resin from Rekan's Design. And now I'm pouring white color pigment resin from the other side of the mold. Pressing the dry flowers so that it gets compressed in the mold and have a nice finish, flat finish. I usually don't use any blow torch or heat gun when it comes to molds. This is a spray of isopropyl alcohol. I got it from Tina Art and Craft Supplies. You can find their Instagram handle very easily and get the best products over there. By this alcohol technique, you can easily bust out all the bubbles and get a clear finish in the mold, and the mold won't be damaged also by using heat gun or blowtorch. Adding some more dry flowers from Besto Charms to fill the gaps in it, and also getting a very will get a very good result. So let us demold and see the results. As you can see, the Fevicol is still wet on in the cracks. So we'll remove everything and we'll clean up with the tissue. So here I'm using Asian paint varnish with Haxan gold pigment as well as a bronze one. Mixing a little bit. And filling the cracks with the help of brush. As you can see how beautifully this coaster has been turned out. You can use it as a platter also, and I'm loving with the crack effect. So this is a Kinzuki look this one coaster. Hope you enjoyed the making and learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and please click the bell icon if you need, if you are interested in a new resin creations from me. All the materials used will be given in the description below. So thank you for watching. This is Sabah signing off. Thank you.